There are a few ways to join an existing Microsoft Teams org. From an email invite, select Join Teams. Review and accept permissions. Choose the desktop or web app, and Teams will open. Upload a photo if you want. Select Next. Get acquainted with Teams. And you're ready. If you're sent a link, select it or paste inside a browser. Fill in your info and select Send Request. The admin will see the request, and in Teams, select Invite People. Pending requests, and approve. Then you'll receive an email and go through the same steps as before. Welcome to Teams!